Today I had a chance to go in and check out the town of Grand Prairie while I was in the Fort Worth area and had a gig on this day at Dead End Trading Post. Grand Prairie is part of what is called the Mid-Cities region of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Those are a number of cities that are in between Dallas and Fort Worth, and there are a bunch of highways here from Grand Prairie that can take you to those other cities around the DFW Metroplex. The city itself is located about 20 miles east of Fort Worth, and it got its name because in the maps of the area that were made around the 1850s, when they looked at the region between Dallas and Fort Worth, they had it labeled a prairie. It became an official city in the early 1900s, and so while some might consider it a suburb of Dallas, it truly is its own city. It's got a history in the defense and aviation industry. It's got the West Fork of the Trinity River that passes along north of the city, and some other notable things around here. They've got Joe Pool Lake right there. They do have an outdoor outlet mall here called the Grand Prairie Premium Outlets. They have this place called Lone Star Park where they have live horse racing. They've got a place called Trader Village, which is a massive outdoor flea market where there's shopping and events and rides and food vendors. And there's an entertainment complex around here too called Epic Central. And I should note too that Selena Gomez is from here. So there's generally a strong community feel around this city, although it is important to note that they generally regard the northern part and the southern part as separate, or at least they make a distinction between those two areas. And there is a Main Street area, and that's what I've been showing here. It spans along east to west along the city, where you can find some interesting storefronts, and you can find some food and barbershops, coffee shop, some murals, lofts, and some other businesses around there. Of course, you could find a water tower, which is located in Market Square, which is a little park they've got here. And that's where they had a farmer's market going on that was just wrapping up when I came through on this Saturday afternoon. In terms of live music, right there along this strip, there's a theater called the Uptown Theater in Grand Prairie. It's a fully restored 1950s performing arts center with shows and concerts. And there's one other place that's not too far of a little walk away from here called Firehouse Gastro Park. They've got a big stage outside there, and I've been hearing about this place recently because of the artists they've been bringing in through to play live music. Ultimately, I made it back out to Fort Worth and I went over to Dead End Trading Post there where I had my gig and enjoyed playing music for these folks there on this night.
'Cause she's a sweet talking, jaywalking with one thing on her mind. She's a rockabilly queen in the rockabilly scene where you move both feet at the same time.
Thanks for checking out this video. I'm posting all about touring around Texas and the music scene of Texas, including my own music here on my YouTube channel. So you could click on my YouTube channel, check out those thumbnails and see which topics are interesting to you. Give those videos a view. Thanks for giving this video a view, and thank you for your support.